Good evening everyone, myself Arif Sharma from VDS News. Here we are coming with a new innovation to bring you all the headlines happening in Vishwadipti campus. Let us look into the important news for the last week from the VDS campus. 75th Independence Day of our country was celebrated in the school in an auspicious manner. On 15th of August, cultural ceremony was organized. Mr. Jiten Shukla IPS, the Chief Commandant 16th Battalion Narayanpur, hoisted the flag in the school campus. Mr. Brijesh Tiwari, Assistant Commandant 16th Battalion Narayanpur, Principal Father German, Vice Principal Sister Anupa were present for the flag hoisting ceremony. Mr. Jiten Shukla IPS shared to the students about the importance of Indian flag and the respect that should be given to it. He also added words about the meaning of actual independence and the importance of remembering the freedom fighters who fought for the nation.
मनुष्य की लाइफ में या किसी की भी लाइफ में सबसे ज़्यादा जो कीमती चीज़ होती है वो होती है आज़ादी, वो होती है स्वतंत्रता। और उसकी कीमत हमको तभी पता चलती है जब हम अपने उत्तरदायित्व को समझते हैं। सिर्फ अधिकार नहीं समझते, अधिकार तो हमको अपनी आज़ादी का मतलब समझाते ही हैं, लेकिन हमको अपनी आज़ादी के प्रति जो उत्तरदायित्व होता है वो भी जब हमको समझ में आता है तब हम अपनी असली आज़ादी की कीमत समझते हैं।
Various cultural programs were performed by the students on the function that innovate the patriotic spirit among the spectators. Students with their beautiful steps and more melodious voice have attracted the audience. As a part of the Independence Day celebration, various competitions were conducted for the students. All competitions were conducted group-wise. On 8th August, fancy dress competition were conducted for the KG section student. The little birds of VDS campus came in the attire of freedom fighters, national leaders, soldiers. Almost 80 students participated in the competition. Rakhi making competition was held for the senior section students on the theme of independence. Senior teachers from Government Girls Higher Secondary School Narayanpur and Government UP School Banglapara evaluated the Rakhis made by the students. Quiz competition was held on 15th of August. 4 teams participated in the contest. The general knowledge of students regarding the Indian history were highly appreciated during the quiz. Yellow House secured first place while blue and green secured second and third place respectively. Patriotic song competition and speech competition were held on 16th of August. Students according to the group wise participated in the competition. Thank you all. That's all for the day. We will coming to you with the exciting and breaking news from our campus in the coming days.